Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. So today's video was highly requested by you guys. I recently did a poll on my Instagram on whether you wanted to see another Gucci haul or if you wanted to see my entire designer shoe collection. And you guys chose the shoe collection, so I'm so excited to show you all my shoes. So keep watching to see my entire designer shoe collection. So this first pair of designer shoes is actually from Louis Vuitton, and they look just like this. So these shoes are my absolute favorite because they are completely white and they have the Louis Vuitton monogram implemented all over them, which is pretty neat. And on the back, it has the traditional Louis Vuitton monogram as well. But they're really cool because they're just a basic white sneaker, but from Louis Vuitton. It just makes it so much more luxurious. And I really like this because you can dress them up with like a daytime dress, or you can make it more casual. Really, these go with everything, and I wear these probably the most often. The next designer shoes that I'm going to show you guys is from Gucci, and these were actually my first pair of Gucci shoes that I ever bought. And so they look like this. So I wear these so often because they're actually really comfortable, and I get a lot of compliments because they're so unique. Because on the sides you can see they have the two pearls, as well on the back they have the spikes. So I get so many compliments on the spikes because not that many Gucci shoes will have this. Usually it's just the traditional red and green and it says Gucci on the back, but these are really different and I really like these. Okay, next up is a pair of shoes from Chanel. So as soon as I walked into the Chanel store, I knew I had to have these. So these are pretty cool because they are black and white, so it goes with a lot of outfits. So I've worn it with this Versace shirt that I'm wearing because this Versace shirt is kind of crazy with the polka dots and everything going on. But these go with it. It kind of tones it down. And of course, they're Chanel. Who doesn't want to wear Chanel shoes? But what I really like is that on the bottom of them, it has the Chanel imprint. And it's really cool. So if you're like walking on sand at the beach, you're leaving the Chanel imprint everywhere. The next designer shoes that I'm going to show you guys is actually from Louis Vuitton. And these are pretty cool because they're slightly different than your traditional white sneaker. So these are really neat because they say Louis Vuitton on the top. So it's not just a traditional white sneaker because this part is actually Velcro. And it opens like that, which is pretty neat. It kind of adds to the shoe because it makes it more designer. So you're going to be seeing a lot of Gucci because Gucci is my favorite designer. So a funny story about this is all over these shoes it has stars and bees, and I'm actually allergic to bees, but not to these bees on these Gucci shoes. So it makes it really cool because the bees and the stars are actually in gold, so it adds to the shoe a lot and makes it like more like a pop of color on it. And the neat thing about these shoes is that the back part of it actually folds down, or makes it more into like a slip-on shoe. It's easier to wear. So I should have sized down in these because you have this that folds down. They're a little bit bigger in size, but they're still really cute. This next pair of designer shoes is actually my first ever designer shoe purchase. And so I really like these. They're very special to me because it was the first ever designer pair that I've owned. And they're from Louis Vuitton. So the cool thing about these is that all over the shoe is the Louis Vuitton monogram. And so anytime I wear these, you know they're Louis Vuitton because it has it all over it. But what I liked about it is on the back, they added this like glossy black leather, I'm guessing. And it adds a lot to the shoe because you have all the monogram, and this kind of just like brings the shoe together. And it makes it so cool. And these go with so many outfits. I know like the color is a little bit harder to match, but they go with a lot more outfits than you would think. The next designer shoes that I'm gonna show you are from Gucci, and they're Gucci slides. So these slides are really cool because they have red, and usually you don't see red Gucci slides. A lot of times they're like black or like their traditional pattern that they have, but these are red, and in the camera they look so much brighter than what they really are. It's kind of more of a darker red, but I really like these. I was kind of at first worried about this being white, that it was going to get dirty really often, but it actually doesn't, and if it does, it's easy to clean. So I usually wear these to the beach and they're so comfortable. The next slide that I have, the funny thing about these is that Gustavo and I got some for Christmas, and they're matching slides. So these are a lot more toned down than the other ones that I showed you before this because they're black, but I needed just some like plain black slides. And then if you look, you can see the Gucci logo right here. But they are really cute and they're really comfortable, and I love that they're all solid black. Okay, so these next couple of pairs of shoes that I'm gonna show you guys are more on the dressier side. And I forgot to mention that anytime that you get designer shoes, they always give you bags as well. So when you're traveling, you just put your shoes in here. That way they don't get damaged or dirty. It's a lot easier. So this pair is actually from Gucci, and they are the cutest gold heels. Now I really like these heels because it is the perfect size heel right here. It's not too high or too low where it can still dress up an outfit, but I really like these because the gold is really pretty. They actually have some in black, light pink, and red, I believe. So these are really cute. So when you want to take a break from heels always hurting your feet, I always have these go-to Gucci shoes. So these are really comfortable because they are soft leather and they actually go really good with an outfit. I wear these a lot of times to work when I don't really feel like wearing heels and they're hurting my feet all day. These are really good because it's still classy enough for like an office job. This next pair is also from Gucci, and I don't wear these as often as I should, but they still are really cute. These Gucci slip-on mules are really cute. I love how they have this little heart. It just adds like a touch to the shoe. But I really like these because of the color. I don't have many shoes that are this cream color for work, and so these are really cool. Like I said, I don't wear them as often, but I still really like them. And so I'm actually gonna wear these tomorrow. Okay, last but not least, I'm gonna show you these shoes from Gucci. So these are my absolute favorite because I love how it has the Gucci logo all over the shoe, and they are actually in velvet, which is really cool because in the winter these add to an outfit and they still keep you warm. So that is all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed my huge designer shoe collection, and leave a comment down below what is your favorite designer shoe that I showed you guys today. And thank you guys so much for watching and for all your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!